Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove someone from a WhatsApp group. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and tap on WhatsApp. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find your group. Open it up. Now, in here, what you'll do is just basically go to the top right and tap on the three dots, okay? And then here, go ahead and tap on Group Info. Tap on it. Now in this section, what we're going to do is just basically tap on Group. We have here the number of members. So just tap on it. And then after that, go ahead and find the member that you wanted to remove. Okay. So for example, Mr. Anto right here. I'm going to tap on it. Now you won't be able to see it as it is a WhatsApp privacy feature. But basically, you'll be able to see the profile picture of the person. And then info, verify, or make group admin. At the very bottom, you have remove from group. So just basically tap on it and you will have this pop up. So what you're going to do is just tap on OK. It says here removing, and as you can see here, the person has been removed. All right. When you go ahead and go back, tap on the three dots, group info, and as you can see here, it only got one member. That is it. That is how you remove someone on a WhatsApp group. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.